Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to do unboxing, a quick setup and a review of a docking station. Before we start, I would like to give everybody a big thank you. I have now crossed 100 subscribers. So basically 100 is not a small number for me. It is a big achievement and I really want to thank all of you from bottom of my heart. Okay, so let's begin the video. So basically a docking station gives you a quick access to your stored data and you can recover, transfer or archive data, and you can also test and benchmark multiple hard drives. So without further ado, let's do the unboxing. This docking station is from a company called Fidco. It is a dual bay hard disk station with built-in USB 3.0 hub and can handle up to 16 terabyte of data. This is a dual bay and also compatible with 2.5 inch or 3.5 inch SATA hard drive and SSD drive. I bought this from Amazon.com and I have shared the link in the description below. The Fidco USB 3.0 hard disk docking station is more than your typical hard drive dock. In the box, it comes with a power adapter with different plugs, a user manual, a USB 3.0 cable, and a hard disk docking station. Oh, and also an 18 months warranty card. So this docking station includes two USB 3.0 ports and one charging port. It has a 16 terabyte capacity and support two 8 terabytes hard drives simultaneously for SATA 1, 2, 3, 2.5 or 3.5 inches SSD hard drive with a transfer speed up to 5 gigabits per second. You can also clone hard drive offline, that means without PC and with one touch button. One thing to remember while cloning, the target disk should be bigger than or equal to the source disk. It has an LED indicator to show the progress of cloning. This docking station has a stylish solid aluminum design which is strong and sturdy. The setup is quite simple. Connect the power cable and power adapter, connect the USB cable to your computer or laptop, and then insert the SATA hard drive and power on. And your computer will automatically recognize the hard disk or SSD drive and the install is completed and now you're good to use the enclosure. So friends, this is a very useful tool for home purpose. If you have few hard disks lying around, you can make use of such kind of hard disk docking station. I bought this item and it works as expected. It comes with a solid build quality, looks stylish and easy to use. Overall, it's a value for money. So friends, if you like this video, give a like and subscribe and I will see you in the next video.